Jim Pruitt, all the respected council members and distinguished guests, my friends. First of all, my name is Manish Joshi. Myself and my companions, we are volunteers of Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangh, known as HSS. On behalf of HSS, we are here to express our sincere gratitude to all the dignitaries for your works, restless efforts during the pandemic time, that you see your support, emotional support, physical support that you provided to the entire community and the city. Thank you very much for that. I would like to congratulate Rockford City to be rated as an excellent for transparency in handling and responding to the public information request. This is our achievement, so congratulations to all of you. Where Mr. Rick Cole is not here, but definitely we would like to thank him for all his efforts and services throughout his career to the city. HSS is a non-profit volunteering organization started in 1989 in USA. We work on the concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that actually means is we are all one family. So on this concept, HSS has, like mentioned the proclamation, around 235 chapters in different all the states, and all are working something for wellness of the community in their own capacities. Seva, or the selfless service, which is one of the core duties that we want to inculcate in our children's kids and definitely spread word about it. You know, on that line, HSS volunteers during the pandemic time worked in all the areas that might include mask making, mask distribution for the frontline warriors, or it's food packaging, food collections, or food hot meal distributions wherever needed, especially the members of our society, senior citizens, or the low-income communities members. Either we serve directly or expand our volunteerism to the other organizations. Whoever need the help, like Meals on the Wheels, we expand, we join with the hand. As they needed, we go and serve as a volunteer. Today we are here, as mentioned the proclamation, to tell you about a program called Health for Humanity Yogathon. So we all know this program is yoga, and yoga is mainly focused on the better health of the community. It's our 16th year nationwide, and every year we start in month of January because it's the first month of the year and we want everybody to get energized for the rest of the year. We run this program this year running from 16th of January to the 31st of January. When we think about the health, it's not only a strong body, but we learned from this pandemic that yes, we need strong organs, internal organs, we need robust immunity, and definitely stable mental health, so that we can face any challenges coming into the society. So keeping that objective in mind, yoga definitely can help achieve these all goals. But we are right now, as part of this program, we outreach a program, Surya Namaskar, that is sun salutation. We can translate as sun salutation, any name is okay, because its ancient name is Surya Namaskar. It's a very specific yoga that made of 10 different body postures. You can see on the picture, there are 10 different body postures. And when you add the breathing pattern to it, it makes it more beneficial for your body. It makes strong your internal organs. It provide you more oxygen to your internal organs to increase the immunity and their working capacities. Plus, the breathing patterns help your mental health in to avoid your anxiety and give the calmness to the mind. And eventually, a lot of people are right now facing the problem of the depression, so it's good to avoid the depressions. Here, we would like to offer also, if this staff, your office, or any of your office need any sessions, any workshop to learn about and more about knowing this yoga, our volunteers are happy to come, reach out to you whenever required, and we will explain you more about it. We are going to the different schools, different places in the community wherever required, and we are just making people aware to do yoga every day. This particular yogasan, if you do 13 times, make a set, and doing it 13 times requires only 8 minutes of time. It has tremendous benefits in 8 minutes of time. It don't require, you can get out of the bed if your body permits, definitely do it right away. Go from the office, from office to home, you can do it. So in 8 minutes of time, doing the Surya Namaskar every day, it's good for society. That's why we are making it everywhere. Thank you very much.
And if they want to get a hold of you, down at the bottom of the slide that you have
Yes.
on the screen, has all of y'all's contact information for anyone.
Correct. So any of your office if you want, any of your friend's office, anyone want, definitely we will be very happy to come explain more.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank y'all for coming down.
Thank you
We
very
appreciate
much.
it. Thank you.